Hello and welcome to this video tutorial where I show you how to add Flair to your Reddit post. I'm going to start on my iPhone. It's the same on Android, and then I'll move over to my desktop and show you how to do it over there as well. So here we are on the iPhone Reddit app, and as you can see, I am at one of my posts here on Reddit. And in order to change or add Flair to a post, you need to go ahead and open up the post, or when you're editing, tap the three dots that you'll see there at the very top of the screen. So tap the three dots there, and then you'll see something that says Change Post Flair. If we tap into that there, it will then give you all of the Flair options for that specific subreddit. So only Flairs that are available for that specific subreddit, and then tap the blue Apply button, and you are good to go. And just quickly so you know, when you're creating a new post in a subreddit, you'll see something there that says Add Tags and Flair, or it may just say Add Flair. If you tap into that, you'll be able to add the Flair as you're creating it. But if you ever need to go back and change it, you just tap on those three dots there at the top of the post, and then you add the Flair that way. So here we are on my desktop, and I'm going to show you quickly how to add Flair to your Reddit post on the Reddit desktop site. Here we are. I've opened up my post here. And in order to add Flair here on the desktop version, you'll see a little kind of looks like a shopping tag right here underneath your post. If you tap into that little tag option, it will give you all of the available Flair for that specific subreddit. Just remember, for each specific subreddit, these are going to look different. You go ahead and click the one that you want to change the Flair or add the Flair to, click Apply, and you've now added a Flair to that post. If you're creating a new post here on the Reddit desktop site, you can see as I'm creating my post, there will be an option with that same tag icon that says Flair. Hit the drop-down menu, select the Flair that is applicable to that post, go to Apply, and now the Flair is added to that post. Hopefully this helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.